staying with Republic. This is the news at 3 p.m. I'm Suesha Samant and we straight away cut across to these live pictures coming in from Kalki Simla highway where the hills are choked with tourists. This comes at a time when the Prime Minister has strictly warned against COVID complacency. However, tourists continue to flock in large numbers in the hill destinations. Similar scenes we had witnessed at the Kempty Falls in Mussoorie, where tourists had congregated at that destination, after which a cap of 50 has been enforced. But these are pictures coming in from the Kalka Simla highway, where you see cars piling and lined up one after another, huge traffic. The hills are completely choked as tourists are now flocking to these destinations. Amandeep is live with me on the broadcast. Amandeep, it has been a huge concern with the way tourists are going to these destinations and crowding around, considering there is a fear of a possible third wave.
Well, exactly, Swesha, from where I am reporting right now, I am showing you the live visuals of all the cars are being lined up to heading towards the Shimla, just because this is one of the entry points to Himachal Pradesh from the side of Chandigarh. And even at this entry point, we have witnessed a massive traffic jam just because they have to get their toll tax done at this point, and even every car has to apply the brake on this. And even beyond this point, from where I can show you the visuals, the lens is approaching even way beyond this point. There are certain kind of cars that have lined up to move heading towards the Shimla. One of the favorite destination of the tourists, that is Shimla, and people are heading towards and wanted to celebrate their weekend at Shimla. That is the concern, major concern of every person and even the union government. That is the reason Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also focused on the tourist places, just because the third wave any time can strike, and this can be one of the concerns, that how this people are flouting all the COVID norms, reaching to their tourist destinations. And even you can see these pictures also, that how much crowd is going to be in Shimla for next 2 days. And even if I request my camera person to kindly focus the registration plates of the vehicles that are all outsiders from different parts of the country. The people are coming with their friends, relatives, and with their own family knowns as well. You can see this is only the entrance point of the Himachal Pradesh from the side of Chandigarh, and we can witness a huge traffic jam, and this is the major concern. And even the Himachal Pradesh police has also deployed at this point to verify and to maintain the law and order situation on the road. And this highway is completely now choked at one point, and even you can see this is the major concern. You see every car was full. Every car was occupied with their family members, with their friends, and even the bags on their were completely packed for next 2 days. And even I request my camera person to kindly show a long shot and zoom out the entire situation, so that we can tell our viewers that how much people are heading towards the tourist destinations. And even from here, we can estimate that next 2 days, Shimla is going to get choked by these tourists, just because the people who are heading towards the Shimla are in maximum number, and maximum number of footfall is going to witness in next 2 days on Saturday and Sunday in Shimla. And even from the different parts of the country, the people are heading towards this just to beat the heat and just to enjoy the weather of Himachal Pradesh, just because the weather prediction is also there, and even the forecast is also predicted for tomorrow. And that is the reason the people are heading towards the Shimla, and one of the best place for the tourists. But on the other side, equally concerned about the COVID norms also, and even the Himachal Pradesh government is very much concerned about it. Even the locals of Himachal Pradesh, they are very much concerned about it, just because earlier, Swesha, the COVID RT-PCR test was mandatory to enter into Himachal. But when the second wave turns down, Himachal Pradesh has lifted all the restrictions on the entrance, and even they are very much aware that tourists will started falling inside the Himachal to enjoy the weather and to beat the heat. And all of a sudden, the entire tourist destinations in Himachal Pradesh are completely choked by the tourists, and as the maximum number of footfall, and even the traffic line is not breaking down. From past 15 minutes, we are continuously witnessing this line in a similar manner, and the cars on cars are coming, and even every single car is from the different parts of the country, from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and other places also. And even you can see they all are heading towards the Shimla. Shimla is the final destination for every traveler from this point, and this is the entrance point of Himachal Pradesh. So that is the reason they have to apply the brake for few seconds and then they move ahead. Even the road is completely choked. From here we can estimate that how the Shimla is going to choke for next 2 days, but we are equally concerned about the COVID wave also, just because the social distancing and sanitization and mask will be highly compromised in the uphills, just because the people came here to enjoy. They have no concern about the COVID, and even when the entire nation is concerned about it, when we have witnessed the worst second wave of COVID-19 in the country, and despite knowing the results and impact of second wave, all the people have started gathering again at the tourist destinations. This must be harmful for the third wave, and even they have to show the concern about it. But even on the other side, the government has lifted all the restrictions imposed by them earlier, and even neither the RT-PCR test is required, nor the vaccination certificate is required, nor any advance booking is required to enter the Himachal Pradesh. Earlier, initially, it was all in the requirement list if you wanted to travel to Himachal Pradesh. But now when there is a free walk, there is a cakewalk to the Himalayas, so everyone is And
oh yes, Amandeep, and unfortunately this has been going on for many days now, which is why the concern looms large. Continue talking to us, Amandeep. I'm sorry I interrupted you.
Well, exactly, Swesha, if you can see, I request my camera person to kindly show a long shot of the road, so we can give a sense to our viewers that how the cars are piled up on the road, and even the arrangers have to sideline the barricades as well. As long as I can walk from this point, only the cars are being piled up on this road, just because they are heading towards the Shimla, one of the favorite destinations for the tourists and the travel, and every car is being occupied by the several persons. You can see some from Himachal, some from Haryana, Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. All the people are stating. We'll try to talk to some of the tourists also. कहाँ जा रहे हैं जी आप?
घूमने।
कहाँ पे जाएंगे?
देखते हैं जहाँ तक रास्ता सही मिला।
लेकिन एक कोविड का कंसर्न भी बहुत बड़ा है, क्योंकि हिल स्टेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा अब लोग जाना शुरू हो गए हैं।
घूमना तो है ही ना, घर बैठे बैठे बोर हो चुके हैं फिर।
So you can see, you can have the sense that they are saying that they got bored while staying at their homes, and even now they have started coming out and घूमने तो जाना ही है. You can see and how I request my camera person kindly show, as long as we can walk down to this road, just because, and you can see this turn and that turn. I request my camera person to kindly show both the ways, just because I am standing in the middle of the traffic jam where the entrance point of Himachal Pradesh. You can see on one side when the cars are heading towards the Shimla and entering into the Himachal from the different parts of the country, and behind me a long queue that is being witnessed by us. So here for Swesha we can get a sense that how the tourists are coming towards the Himalayas. They are They got bored while sitting in their homes after spending one lockdown, second lockdown, and now they got a chance. And before the third wave comes, it is the mentality of every single tourist that before the third wave comes or the third lockdown will be imposed by the state government or the union government, they should come out and have some enjoyment at Himalayas. But equally concerned about the third wave and even the tourist destinations like the mall roads of Manali as well as Shimla, they are completely occupied and choked by the tourists flouting all the COVID norms. Even certain videos have been circulated that how a small child is directing the tourists to wear the mask inside the market. So this kind of situation is currently in the Himachal Pradesh, and even we can have sense that further 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, Shimla is going to be completely choked by the tourists. The way cars are heading towards Shimla and entering the Himachal Pradesh from the different parts of the country to spend their weekend in the Himalayas, to beat the heat. And even the Himachal Pradesh, Shimla is also inviting the tourists with a nice weather, just because weather forecast is expected for tomorrow. So that is the reason you can see, but it will be a disaster for the COVID norms. It will be equally concerned about the COVID norms.
You know,
just
Amandeep,
because
from an
this is
individual
how the
standpoint, this may not be very
COVID-19
wrong, because yes, people are sitting at home, they do feel frustrated and they do need a change. And for your mental health, probably it is important to go out. But we also need to understand that we are in a pandemic and we need to function as a community, as a society, as a country together and take collective responsibility for each other. This is the whole idea of understanding and taking that responsibility and knowing that we cannot afford to do what is happening right now. The authorities will continue to put out the message. They will continue to say that, rules are being enforced, don't violate COVID norms. But people also need to understand, considering the kind of horror we witnessed in the second wave, we cannot be in that position again. There is a fear of a possible third wave. And we all need to get above our individual priorities and behave more responsibly, Amandeep. Amandeep, they're getting us scenes from the Kalka Simla highway. And remember, this has been hugely concerning as there has been a heavy influx of tourists in Himachal Pradesh, in the hilly areas of Uttarakhand, and all these tourist destinations where people from North India have been flocking in large numbers, and COVID norms that are being completely flouted. We now